Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make roasted turkey and jollof rice. I'm going to show you how to make party jollof rice in party style, step by step, how to make this jollof rice at home for your get together and for your holiday inspiration. Come along with me if you are interested. I have some fresh turkey in my pot, so I'm going to season it with seasoning. Actually, I bought this turkey in the slaughter, and it was well killed and slaughtered. So let's go straight to preparing this turkey. So I really enjoy seasoning my turkey, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dry thyme leaf. So you can as well leave the heart if you don't like the flavor of thyme leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and add curry powder just to give it a nice taste and nice aroma. I really enjoy eating curry in my protein or in my meat. So today I'm going to go ahead and add some pinch of salt to sweeten my taste. So I'll go ahead and add some pinch of salt. Then I will go ahead and add some diced onions for mixing my ingredients with my turkey. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to season the turkey and let everything well combine with the ingredients. If you've not liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button on this video, and if you have any question regarding any of my recipe, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer any of your questions regarding my recipe. So let me go ahead and mix these ingredients with our turkey. Then I just want the turkey to be well mixed with the ingredients and well cooked before I'm going to roast my turkey or grill it in the oven. So let me just mix my turkey with the ingredients before adding water. So go straight and prepare it. So I'm going to mix this up so until it's well mixed. So I want my turkey to be well seasoned and rich with flavor. I really enjoy my food when it's rich with flavor. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new recipe. So let me go ahead and put this in, start cooking this up. Then I'm going to cover it and we'll start preparing our turkey. So while waiting for the turkey to go ahead, as I said, if you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer your question. So while waiting for this to cook, let's go straight in preparing our fresh sauce. So we have red bell pepper and fresh tomatoes, habanero and onions. That is what we have in the blender. So I'm going to go ahead and start blending our fresh tomatoes. Then I'm going to prepare that for our jollof rice. So let me go ahead and blend it, and so we'll start making our jollof rice after I finish blending it. If you've not liked my video, do not forget to hit the like button. It means a lot to me and it will encourage me to do more. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get notification of a new recipe. So our blended tomatoes is ready, so we'll go ahead to prepare our jollof rice. Come along with me for more tips on how to make a perfect party jollof rice. This is our turkey. I'm going to check it, and it really smells good, really smells nice. So I'm going to check the turkey. Actually I need the turkey stock to make our jollof rice. So I'm going to start checking if the turkey is ready. Our turkey is ready, so I'm going to put this in a bowl so I can transfer it to the oven because I'm going to grill my turkey. So as I said, we are making a roasted turkey today before making our jollof rice. So this is the outcome after I put it in a bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven so it will grill. Waiting for that to grill. So we'll go ahead to start preparing our jollof rice. Come along with me. So I'm going to add some cooking oil in the pot. So we'll start adding our diced onions. The oil is well hot, actually is in the medium heat. So I'm going to give it a nice stir because I want the onions to be a little bit cooked but not overcooked, just to bring out the aroma and the oil. Yeah, the aroma. So I'll go ahead to add my fresh blended tomatoes or pepper as we normally call it. So I'm going to add it and I'll give it a nice stir because I want the fresh tomatoes and the fried onions to be well combined. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it and allow this to be well cooked until everything is dry, so I will not see any water of my tomatoes in my sauce. So our sauce is ready. So this is the outcome. You can see the oil is back on the surface. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Do not forget to check the description for more ingredients. I'm going to put the ingredients in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and stir my tomato paste. Now I'm going to add 3 bay leaf into the sauce. Then I'm going to give it some seasoning. I'm going to add some seasoning just to sweet my taste. When cooking your jollof rice, just add your seasoning to sweet your taste. So I'm going to stir my ingredients with my sauce, so everything will be well mixed and well combined. So after that, I'm going to go ahead to cover it. Actually, I love sharing my ingredients in my recipe. When I'm preparing it, I love to share it one after the other, so that's why I didn't show you my ingredients in the beginning of the video. So please do not forget to watch it to the end. So I'm going to cover it. So I'm going to allow this to steam together. So this is the outcome. It really smells really good. I wish you can perceive the aroma. It will be so nice. So it really smells good. So let me go ahead and stir this. So I'm going to add my turkey stock into this. As I said, I love adding my turkey stock, and actually sometimes I love adding my turkey stock before adding other seasoning. So I'm going to know where the seasoning is lacking or if I really need to add seasoning. Actually, I'm not that type that really eat a lot of seasoning. I eat little seasoning. So let me go ahead. I'm going to give this a nice stir. Then we'll go ahead to cover this until it's well stay boiled. I want the sauce to be well cooked before adding my washed rice. So we are going to cover this and allow this to be well cooked, boiled before we go ahead. So this is the outcome after some minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add my washed rice. As I said, if you have any question, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. I'm always there to answer any of your question. I'm here to help. I'm here to share my experience with you guys. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you'll be the first to know every time I upload new recipe. You get notification of my new recipes. So I'm going to add my rice into it and then we'll allow it to cook. Actually, I love putting all my ingredients in my food. I don't like wasting any food, any part of my food. So that is my nature. So I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to cover this. So before that, I'm going to stir this so the sauce and the rice will be well mixed. So that's why I'm going to give it a nice stir, but gently when you are stirring your sauce, your rice with your sauce, so it will not get burnt. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this. So allow it to cook for a couple of minutes. So without even wasting time, let's cover it and start cooking. So this is the outcome of our jollof rice. Our party jollof rice is ready, and this jollof rice is perfectly cooked. Actually, I love eating Nigerian jollof rice. I love eating it. I really love the flavor and I love the texture of jollof rice. It tastes really good. So I'm going to give it a nice taste so you know it looks everything cooked randomly and everything cooked perfectly. This is the best jollof rice you ever eat in a party. If you go to any party, please do not forget to try Nigerian jollof rice. It really tastes good. So this is the outcome of our jollof rice. As I said I'm going to share a tip of cooking jollof rice with you guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notification of my new recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and dish this in a bowl. So we start eating this. So I'm going to dish it in a bowl. You can see how it looks perfectly cooked and everything does look well cooked. So this is our grilled turkey. I'm just going to add the grilled turkey to you so you will know our roasted turkey really looks like after everything. So let's go ahead and put it in a plate so you know how it looks like. If you've not like my video, do not forget to hit the like button. As I said, I'm going to give you some tip about this jollof rice, how to prepare your jollof rice. When you are cooking your jollof rice, please reduce your heat, don't overheat it, because you have some cook perfectly and the others will not cook perfectly, so it will not cook perfect. So if you are cooking, reduce the heat. You just only need little heat to cook your jollof rice, not too much flame. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching my jollof rice recipe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and do not forget to hit the like button on this video. And you can as well check more of my recipe on plantain cheese cream fried rice. I have a recipe on that. Nigeria snacks with its chin chin, and more of jollof rice. I have that. And you can as well check this my pepper soup recipe. Do not forget to check my cucumber rolls. This chin chin looks delicious. Check that out too. And my puff puff recipe. I have so many recipe on my channel. Do not forget to check them out, and do not forget to stay safe. And thanks so much for watching. I guess I will see you all in my next recipe.